Hi guys, in this video I am going to share with you how I cracked push-ups. Now push-ups can be really hard for people who have just started to work out because it involves a lot of strength in your muscles of the chest, behind the arms and the wing muscles which is right below the armpit. I followed few progression steps which I am going to share with you in this video which will help you to crack push-ups. So the first step in my progression to push-ups, what I followed is I took support of a wall. So you just keep your hands here, close and at the level of your chest, and you start doing push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do 5 reps of 3 sets each every day. And once you realize that this is working for you, you can move to the next progression, which is incline push-ups. So for incline push-ups, I took support of a bench or a railing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you can do 5 reps of 3 sets of this progression, and once you realize that your muscles are getting stronger, then you can move to the floor. So the third progression in my journey to push-ups was I used to take support of my knees. Always make sure that your hands are in the level of your chest and your elbows go behind, not to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the last step in my progression to push-ups was doing a plank, holding a plank position and going down. So I would hold the plank position for a couple of breaths. 1, 2, and then go down. Now I know that it's really tough to come up, but that is how you will get to it. So either you come up taking support of your knees, or you just try to come up. Now practice this every day of holding a plank and going down and try to come up. Take support of your knees if required. I'm sure initially you would require this support, but later you will be able to do it.